Hey, English learners, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to talk about an idiom that you definitely don't want to do in your English learning, cutting corners. So what does it mean to cut corners? It means taking shortcuts, doing something the easy way, but usually by skipping important steps and not doing the job properly. For example, if you rush through a project and don't do it thoroughly, someone might say, "You really cut corners on this one." Cutting corners usually leads to problems later, like building a wobbly bookshelf that falls apart. Trust me, not a good idea. A conversation example between two coworkers could be as follows. Coworker 1, "Why is this report so messy?" Coworker 2, "I was in a rush, so I cut a few corners." Coworker 1, "Well, now we have to redo it." So, the next time you're tempted to take a shortcut, remember, cutting corners might save you time now, but it'll cost you later.
Cutting around corners, going through life.
You know who cut corners?
And if you want to make sure your English learning is thorough, check out the other videos in our idioms playlist. You'll find more expressions to help you speak like a native, the right way. No cutting corners here. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a new video.